I know, ladies, summer is slowly wrapping up. I know some people are not in the school of thought of wearing white during any other season, but I am in the school of thought of wearing white pants year round. For that reason, I am going to be showing you the most flattering white pants that you need to add to your closets. This set of white pants that I'm going to be featuring in this video today will flatter all body types. Also in this video you're going to see two pieces, but I have the one that is white pants and also I have the one which is the yellow pants. I'm going to be starting with the first one, which is this one. I really love the way this one looks like. It feels like a chinos material, but I know it's not. It also feels like something like a woven material, but I know it's not. This is absolutely beautiful. I like the fact that it's not transparent, you cannot see through. It has these two pockets at the front and it does have belt holes. Then when you turn it to the back, it has elastic band. If you are the type that you don't like elastic band at the back of your pants, just use belts. So I'm just going to be pairing these pants with the top that you already seen at the beginning of this video, and also I probably will switch up another top for you all to see the full length of this pants.
Peace by now. Yeah, you're lying in the shadows of my room. Oh, always heard your voice, I forget the sound now. You're awfully quiet while I cry out for you. Oh,
and here is the second pants. This one does not have pocket at all. It does not have any elastic band. It does not have belt holes. It's high-waisted. It has a hidden zip on the side, but you have to wear something under this because it's a little bit see-through. I see there is a little bit see-through. Without anything, probably people will see your underwear, and you know when you're wearing white pants you want to wear something that is not white under it, but these pants will suit all body types.
you don't have much to say, yeah, that's clear now. But I won't keep on giving you grace while my heart's broken. But you take the time away to clear your head out. But I had so much to say, and you let me get away still. Well, I still cry, I won't lie, but you.
And here is the third one. I absolutely love this one too. Like, I just feel I like the way the material feels. It has that elastic band at the back. It does not have belt holes. It has a hidden zipper at the side as well. Also it has two pockets by the side. I really love the qualities of this one because and the quality and the way it is made, it looks well made and well tailored.
Should've kept it straight from the jump. Why'd we come this far to get this far? I should leave it alone, cause there's no proof of you staying. Your mind was made up a couple months ago. Oh, now I know you don't have much to say, yeah, that's clear now. But I won't keep on giving you grace while my heart's broken. But you take the time away to clear your head out. I don't got nothing to say. How could you let me get away still? Well, I still cry, I won't lie.
Ladies, if you're still watching this video up until this time, please do not forget to subscribe and please like this video and do endeavor to share this video with your friends and family. You never can tell, maybe they will find it entertaining, educative or informative. You never can tell. Yes, I know this is not white, but this pant will suit all body types. It does not have belt holes, but it has elastic band at the back, and it has no hidden zipper, so you have to wear it just the way it is. It has this style at the stitch at the front like this. It's so beautiful, and I feel like it will suit all body type. This also came with a top that is made, is a vest, but it's made in peplum style. It will suit all body types. I love the way it is cut. I love the way it is made. They feels like good quality, not transparent, absolutely beautiful. You can dress it up or dress it down.
Well, you'll never know, you'll never know if I'm fine. Am I alright? Well, you'll never know, you'll never know. You took this path on your own time without giving us a try. So we'll never know, we'll never know. Feel good, won't feel bad tonight. I feel good, won't feel bad tonight.
Alright my ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.